Hi guys, I just want to tell you about a new challenge that is coming up and it's coming up on the 23rd of May, so that is next Monday, and this is the 3-day email marketing challenge. Now what it was going to involve and what you're going to learn is you're going to learn a bit about the theory of email marketing, and it's a basic setup, so we're teaching you how to do it. And there's a lot of benefits to taking this challenge, not only for doing email sequences, but also for doing things like autoresponders and stuff like that. So if you actually take the challenge, then you'll have a lot of different techniques to use for different parts of your business, which is obviously going to be really beneficial to you. So even if you don't want to run out an email sequence to people, you can still use it for different tasks within your Zenler site. So we're going to be learning email marketing best practices. We're going to be giving your emails some punch. Okay, we're going to be automating for easy management, and that's a key part of this. Make people want to click your offer also. So we'll be taking it right back. I'll be working with Alice on this, and we're going to be showing you a script that we put together, and we're going to be putting that into there. So it's a very basic script, and it's actually using Kevin's blogging bootcamp challenge as a kind of basis. So we're going to use some of the tips in his challenge. He did tips, the best top tips on the best mistakes and these kind of things. So we're actually going to be using that to send a sequence of emails out to use that as a lead generating powerful marketing ploy. Okay, and it's used a lot. So this is a very basic approach. We'll also be looking at other email strategies. Now, learning this marketing challenge, you're also going to be able to look online and see different email marketing strategies, and you'll actually be able to implement them as well, just by knowing this challenge. So it's so important, and I'm going to say to you, you should sign up for this. You need to get in there. I guarantee you that after we've run this challenge, there's going to be posts in the Facebook group. How do I do this? How do I automate this? How do I do sequences of emails coming out? There's going to be questions going to the Facebook group, and if you don't take this challenge, you're not going to know. So and you know, as we know with all these challenges, we do close them eventually, so they'll go off and then we will rerun them later, but you will have missed your opportunity. So if you can get in there now, even if you can't attend the lives, although we're doing it at 9 p.m. BST time, and that's about 4 EDT time, I think, in the US, then it means that even if you take them and you can't attend the lives, you can just jump in, you can just enroll, and you can watch the replays, you know, and you can watch the videos through there. Now, we don't just show you slides here, we actually show you how to do it all as well. So although it's a challenge, it's a workshop as well. You're getting the best of both worlds all bundled into this only 3-day challenge, and we have a bonus day, but that's about a week later, just so that we can see how you're getting on. If you're struggling with anything, there's Q&A sessions at the end. Lots of information, should be really cool for you to watch and consume. It's made for beginners, so if you've got no experience on email automations, it might be like, what's an email automation? I don't know what it is. You don't know about tagging or advanced filtering, any of these things. It doesn't matter. You do this challenge and you will understand them at the end of it. Really important that you grab this challenge while it goes ahead. So just get in there, enroll. If you can't attend the lives, watch the replays, and there's a community tied to it as well, so you can share each other's emails and those sort of things, or lead generators that you've created, and we'll be looking at best practices as well with all these things. So we are super excited. Me and Alice are both super excited to get this one underway. I've dropped the link in there so you can go in there and sign up to take this 3-day email challenge, and I hope to see you guys all in there. You will take care, and I'll see you in a week's time live with Alice.